Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat idea, fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and I'm bothered and back to fix the country. Also, Dlamini Hold, Savannah, please make me your brand ambassador. Like, I like you a lot, I drink you a lot. Nichoban phone. Nichoban phone. Dlamini, please hide it so we can be professional. Thank you. Make me a brand ambassador!
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Now, do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame Ntombi Yaseqeberha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Oh, best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored.
No. Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale tshino iqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu.
Una mina ngibe step mother.
Nginesikhathi kangakanani njena nokhaya?
Yes.
Uma friends ngadlala.
No, but Dlamini mabatsho babafuni.
Futhi yabona if bawangakuthatha bazokwenza imali.
They would make a lot of money. Like Savannah, you would make a lot of money.
Imali.
So do the right
Sebenza
thing.
Savannah ubhekelele episode ngiyacela.
Make the right decisions for the sake of your
Manifuna
future.
ama sales wena enze kanje.
Yeah.
She's
she's
your girl.
Yeah. I love Savannah so much. And people are always so shocked when I like Savannah because people think I'm bougie.
You know you're not bougie.
I'm not bougie. I'm so chilled.
Bougie.
Bougie.
Oh yeah, bougie.
That's a couple of them. Hi guys.
Hey.
How are you?
Sharp for my sister na.
I'm good. Listen, girl, why you hiding, girl?
How can we help?
Lovey, I go around asking couples questions, ne? Just like a couples quiz.
My sister is sharp, what?
And phone?
Sure.
Sirayithi happy sirani.
Nia, pizza na ngamil.
No, kumsebenziswa ngikhathele ngifuna ukuyolala.
Really?
Ngoy batang shop my sister.
I just want to ask you like questions, a couples quiz.
No, we out.
Where did you meet?
Shop my sister.
And phone?
Abo kentelekini tsitsani kalobile.
Yeah. Wasajeshi. And amabhodo angika.
Telling us you guys are hiding each other from the world. I don't like the panic.
No, we ain't.
Shop.
The panic.
No.
Shop.
So I can't mean why did you go can I go home? Guys. Okay, what if I give you a cash prize of 1,000 rand?
Cash price.
Of 1,000, yeah.
Jwang. Rethola jwang cash price yo.
I have the money. So if you do the quiz, I'll give you guys the money.
Eish. I know.
And it will
I not sharp.
1.5?
I not sharp. I pay. Sharp.
Nina imali? Benizo uparisha ba benine imali.
Akawoka.
Because ushushu.
It's cozy things. What?
1.5 nyana, guys. I can't go further than that.
2,000
2,000.
Yeah.
Okay, let's negotiate 1.7.
Drink. Ana marek sharp what e ba ke ga rata mas.
Masithathe.
Ngiyayithatha.
O batla amana ga ntwe.
No, mara ngathi khona into ayifihlayo.
No, there's not.
Uzofihla, you guys don't even know what I'm gonna ask. It's a couples quiz.
No, like
Iba ikhona into ayifihleyo nguwe, baby doesn't want to be seen with you on camera.
nah, like
No.
fine, like
You don't think
There's
so?
nothing that we see fihlayo, you know?
Yeah.
fine. You have
Okay, but for 1.7, come guys, just 5 questions.
5 questions.
Yeah.
Like what are they?
I could use an extra 1.7.
Are you being for real?
I'm serious.
Amara baby.
Dlamini, is the cash in your pocket?
Sure.
Yes. Let's see if siyathembana.
Uthini na wena? Oh, but he'll come back with it. Come, guys. I just want to go to the shade. You know, you can't shoot in the sun.
Oh, what?
Let's try and see if it shows.
Amara. Party. With the party. Mara no so fikela mara.
Oh, Betunan.
My sister mara to go botsang.
Hmm?
To go botsang.
I'm gonna go. You'll see the questions when I ask you the questions. So you'll hear the questions when I ask you the questions. If you don't like the questions, you can leave.
Sure.
Yeah.
Because no abona.
Huh? You will get the money. Yeah, okay, my sister, come to my left, ne?
Okay.
Okay, name?
I.
I.
Yeah.
Your name is I.
Yeah.
How do you spell it?
EYE.
U
EYE.
E-Y-E.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool. Okay. And
Shamini.
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 Shamaine. Okay, lovely. How long have you known I?
It's been 6 months.
6 months.
Yes.
Still going strong.
Yes. Strong and valid.
Okay. I where did you meet her?
Re kopane metsing da ne re le metsing o nona le cake da ntse.
Uh-huh.
Jambo na da. Bon.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what is it that you like about her?
Amo motle sa.
Very, very, very.
Na ke Paula.
Yeah. And then besides your appearance, ke counted in those nestima I.
Obviously, ke bo motho itshwereng sharp,
Uh-huh.
aspana, grande,
Yeah.
sokodisi. A re sokodisana re sharp nje.
Yeah.
Sengwe le nngwe sharp.
So uthi uyaspana, so if bengasebenzi bekuzothini bungazumfuna?
Ne ntse ke tlo morata mara le teng se ke tjho nje gore ha ona bo sephethephethe.
Yeah.
Ha ona bo ntho gore no dulang founela o busy.
Yeah.
Ntsha.
So you like your
Ke
space?
Ke rata space sa ka re le two bo bono.
Uh-huh.
If in 1.7 ing ka be re se mo.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
Money.
No, you like money.
Probably, yeah, as you know, I'm always busy about everything.
Working for your money.
Yeah, for
I like
me.
that.
Yeah. So,
For you and him.
yeah.
So you guys are basically building together.
yeah.
That's cute. That's so Nunes.
Thank you.
Okay, Shabane, what is it that you like about I?
Like, he's very nice, handsome, and very tall.
I like the
My
height
baby.
as well.
Yeah, he's my baby. And he's so supportive.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, he loves me. Like, everything that I'm doing, like, he's always there. Like, in song like someone support.
Yeah.
Agaze, like, ang pixela pants,
Yeah.
This is my girl.
Okay.
Oh, he loves me, this guy.
That is so
And I love you
cute.
too.
Yes.
Yes, he's my
Okay.
man.
Okay. On a scale of 1 to 10 then, how much do you trust him?
It's a valid 10.
10.
10.
No space for disappointment, Shamaine?
No.
Yes.
Yes, never.
Okay, I?
It's 11 my sis.
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. This one. Ke lo ntsha dikgomo.
Okay, fine. In the 6 months you guys have been together, you haven't gone through each other's cell phones.
Phone. O na le phone ya hae ke na le phone ya ka.
It's just like you have your dick, she has her vagina, but you guys still share it, right?
Mara phone.
Why is a phone more personal than a vagina?
Mana phone Entle re tletsa mo my sis.
Okay, maybe what we do on this show, ne?
Yeah.
We basically do a loyalty test, okay? So you guys switch phones and you guys go through each other's WhatsApps.
Okay.
Right.
No problem with that. And
You don't-
He does.
Okay. I.
My sister. Wa batla go sheba phone ya ka. Ha o ntshepe?
Like, it's been 6 months. I do. But then I just want to be sure, yabo.
Wa tla ba shokang fis.
You and the relationship?
Ke eng e leng gore ke etse mara pele.
No, you do everything, but then why nka go sa batle ke bone phone? Maybe bona ntho e fihlang. No, nka re wa tatazela.
That was
Wa
it.
tatazela.
Man pele.
Wa o feel o ba nervous. A ke tsa ke ntho e fihlang. Mbonise ke.
Phone ya ka ke ya ka fuck wa tseba
So we
le.
can't fight. Like, let's.
We are not fighting. I'm not gonna give you my phone, you know.
Is there something that you're hiding?
Okay, Shamaine.
Baby ke. Wa tseba le.
Okay, mbonise ke. Simple.
So are you willing to show him your
Yeah,
phone?
I will. Like, there's nothing that I'm hiding.
Okay.
Yes.
I silinde wena but.
My sister kopa bua le ena nyane fela.
Okay, uthetha naye.
Eh. Amen. O batla go sheba phone ya ka.
Ke batla ho tshepa.
Why?
You asked her personal space. You are so icky. Davide!
Ne ke nne go go ya.
I don't think so. You should have put on a phone ya ka. Amana, emanya. Because of batho ba so batla bona phone ya ka.
Hona le so ifisang.
A kisine.
Okay, mbonise ke so save ngikhathele. Please. Just please.
Why today? Ha re tlwele tšhelete re tsamaya.
No, I can't.
Wa ngata.
Sesifike yo kakhulu. Shemunu yangisana na.
Ngithanda uyazi.
Okay, I can do it 5.
You're breathing too loud.
Phone. Mbonise phone.
Babe, wa ngata.
Phela ungishaya ke ngoku ayamazi ngazojonga le phone.
Ha batho
You
ba.
ayisuka. Plums my medication. Please go fetch my bag.
Eric uhambi. Uzobuya.
Carry on, guys. Benisitini.
don't want to
Let's say phone. Time is money.
Let's leave this money and just leave.
Ish. Give me your phone, please.
You don't love her.
I do.
So,
You know almost.
ke ntho e leng re etsahalang.
It like change the phone.
My sister,
Simple.
nna kopa o bontshe hore nna le motho wa ka re sharp ra ratana le.
Okay.
Like re sharp like
Okay.
babe. Ra ratana ke re.
do.
Just kiss and show them like
Hey. So Kali Puzena zo switch his phone. After you guys kiss, you guys are not gonna switch phone.
You see, I just want to contact telephone business on the I said it, yeah.
babe, mara please. Ai phone ya ka mara
A medication. Can I please have your phone, my skirt? Aye.
ai sis.
Please relax. I need your passcode and password in it. Please call Eric. Flamini, please call him now. Okay. Please go to WhatsApp, ne?
Yeah. Do you WhatsApp?
Okay, type love you.
Can no.
Okay.
Can
Okay, delete that.
okay.
Type miss you.
Until then, come on, amare. Kare ke sister la hae feel.
Okay. Are you sure it's the sister?
Kam tse wana le mo musikile kae ka mbona ke.
Okay.
Sister la hae.
Okay. Type babe.
Babe. Until then na feel like
Okay.
can na feel.
Delete that. Type thank you. Let's do who's doing her favors.
I no tseba gore ke bo mamba. Mara akboni kare ke ntwe cozy. Ke ntwe normal.
Are you sure? Sure.
There's nothing cozy here. There's
Okay.
nothing going on here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Type last night.
Last night.
You need to see, girl.
Yeah, like I know, like there's nothing that I'm hiding.
Okay, fine.
Why?
Nothing weird, ne?
Nothing.
Okay, delete that. Type outside.
Outside. There's still nothing.
Hey.
Yeah, this was me when I was like, okay, yeah, there's nothing. It was me. It's
Okay.
me. Yeah.
Delete that. Type babe.
Babe. Type babe.
Oh, sorry. Type meaty. Pregnant.
Meaty.
Type pregnant.
Siklaba pregnant, babe.
No, just type.
You just need to comply.
It's no pregnancy here.
Okay, delete that. Type test. Pregnancy test. HIV test.
I wanna lead the test. It's nothing going on.
Okay, delete that. Type morning after pill.
Hey, morning after pill. What's on the morning after pill?
Do you see them now? Is it coming up?
How do you feel?
Okay, give your woman her phone. She's clean. Dlamini, what did you say? Okay. Passcode, password.
My sister.
I don't like your I don't like
my
it.
sister so chongwata baby man, come on.
Will you phone, please?
Okay, what?
Tell over my phone.
Man, baby, ha tsamaya.
Hey, I son.
Man.
Will I phone so let's come, please?
Thank you. Yes, got to go to his WhatsApp and just face the camera for me a bit. Okay, go to his WhatsApp. Okay. Okay, sorry.
Who's Ntabiseng mo?
I got touch or no touch. Go into the scroll. Go to the chat and scroll.
Wow, I miss you. I love you. I've been thinking about you the whole night.
What did you tell her about Ntabiseng?
Before
But why is it the first chat we see? Because it was
Mamela. Ke yona ntse wa bo before nna le Nthabiseng re tlo hlokana Crenshaw ho no etsala taba hore ka re no wa bona nka re ngwana wa shoka ke be re hlokana because nna ne ke sa mthepe Nthabiseng wa bo ke re ke mtlwe mara no khutla sa ntwetsa hore ha wa tsa no ha ne ke se pregnant so na re confirm taba tsa ona ntwe pa sheba motho.
Okay.
I miss you. I've been thinking about you the whole night.
Baby.
Okay.
Uzanini futhi ngizokubona. Wa ungenza so?
Babe, mara.
Why are you doing this to me? 6 months and uthe wena uyangithanda.
Give me the phone, my skirt.
Why? Wawungenza kanje? Bheka amahati like amantombazana.
Makulona ko
The
kumela
church.
iheart mfethu. Amana
Amaringi.
amana ke
Uqala ukuxplain. Hey.
Moska.
No.
Tsala. Tsala mpi.
Please no ungamani.
Sister nanga kodwa ngikabanya.
I'm sorry.
Ufunela ma.
Unthabiseng.
Wa ufunela Nthabiseng my sister.
To confirm ngalokhu sana.
My sister wena magotlile ka o tlo re kabanya iya ke. Man baby.
Ngibambi uzongwisa.
Uyahleka uyanyuma unye bandana.
Ngikwatile.
Baby, you can go with your man if you're fine. Yo, that way you got my daughter. You gonna flex ayo?
Ngikwatile.
We need to call Unthabiseng.
Uthini?
Lokaphendula, kaphendula.
Nimthi umhlweni. Hayi wa exist Nthabiseng mfethu. Ke ntho ya kgale.
Ntho le ko like libile maobane bosibo. But sene ana ke sa tseba ke tseng wa tseba. O sheba mo mahlong, ke a o rata. O tsong letela marono re le tlo kopana today mos. Mara wa nketsa so.
Wena mosimo. Wa tlo ntsetsa ka mthu.
Ngifuna simamela uThabiseng a confirm.
Nthabiseng.
Yo, bakaphendula Unthabiseng, guys.
Nthabiseng hayi man.
Yo, iphi phone Dlamini?
Angisazi.
Come on.
No.
Please open your phone. Iphinde yavaleka ke ngoku. But you so much uyajola nyana.
Oh.
I just want to check something else because akaphendula Unthabiseng. Yimaki.
Man baby.
Go into media, my skirt yourself. Hi, can I please speak to Unthabiseng? Hello? Hello? Can I please speak to Unthabiseng?
Wo like some tape Nthabiseng.
So niyachitelana noNthabiseng.
So ni cheated. Why? Mbona ma check kwenzala.
Hello?
Ntho ya kgale.
I'm good, thanks, and you?
I'm good as well.
Am I speaking to Unthabiseng?
Yes, you're speaking to her.
Ask it if she knows I.
Hello, Sharp.
Bishop.
Ni Sharp, ndokubuza yamazu ai.
Yes, ngiyama.
Untsibela ka.
Like okay, nazana kanjani kwenzakalani between wena no I?
Umuntu wami.
Umuntu wakho. For how long you've been dating?
Yo. We're even engaged mina naloyo muntu loyo. So muzo.
You are in.
Emana. Ay. Hey man.
Oh.
Mara my sister bona.
Are you engaged, and then gender?
Engaged.
Man baby. Man baby sheba re tla bua krenda go fitla ka ntlong mamela re lokise ntho ntse ke etsa man
Ai.
ke shamini ke ngwana o le ne ke o jotsa ka yena o le relax man baby
Ngwana ole.
askisi baby we o so tlo re tabanya ona o so tlo re tabanya ona o so ka mara go kopatsa maya mara o so bona
Wow. Ai ungangibambi. Please.
come on
Answer.
come on
Hi,
awesome
it's Aingangam. You guys can go.
Let's see pick him.
You guys can go.
Give me my pen. Go let's pick him. Oh wow.
You Aingangam. Dlamini, I'm defeated. Masivele show anfun ben counselish. Anfun ben counselish. Bali ben 1.7. Thank God, because we didn't have shit.
Abaqabza nayo.
Huh? Did they kiss?
Baqabzene phinde abaqabza nayo.
But we didn't promise them 1,000. Yo, 1.7 for kissing.
Laba ngifuna ukubona i-kiss kuphela. I wanted to see how they kiss.
Hey, some guys have it easy, no? She's probably gonna stay. She was too in love. After she called Unthabiseng, we are nyumbazo.
Ngiyambona ngendlela enza
Unyubelani hlaka.
uzobuyela. Noma uthi umjidi weshadile wezoqhubeka ngombe.
Yes.
Wezoqhubeka naye.
Shall we close the show, Dlamini?
Asambe ma.
Ne?
Simele uphuza lezi zinto zakho.
Savan. On my medication. Where's Eric?
Akafiki.
Oh,
Bathi uthe usendleleni ade akafiki.
okay, Drums. Shall we close? Why you looking at me like that?
Since bona bengayenzanga lento abathe bezoyenza. So don't you think ukuthi
What are you doing?
Eh?
What are you doing?
Awucabanga ukuthi siyenze mina la. Sibakhombisa ukuthi yenziwa kanjani.
Leave me alone, Dlamini, please.
Okay, kancane ke nje.
Hey, you wanna kiss me a little?
Hey, kancane.
Please leave me alone.
Sothi nje ba asivala amehlo.
Dlamini, leave me alone.
Asivala amehlo.
You can kiss me on my cheek.
Okay.
I'm gonna close my thing with the mic.
No, you don't have to close your mouth.
Okay.
Soft, that's sponge cake.
I'm so done with you.
Oh, Lily.
So fine, you're not gonna get your 300 rand back. But
Yeah,
you pay. I already paid for it. That's the
Ngesathi.
guys. I took Dlamini's money for lunch.
Oh, man, ke. Ya mina imali yami ngiyidinga. Ekithi nomlungu lana uzongibhadala no2 serious ne.
No, I mean, it's just 300.
No, ngiyidinga bafethu ngeke, hayi
But
ngiyidinga.
look at your face.
Angikhona.
But I just paid for it.
La esathini u300. 300 isathi. Oh. Wabanye abantu ipackage le 300 uthola yonke into.
What is wrong with you?
Wabanye abantu ipackage phela full package uthola yonke into. Ngitshela ke isihlathi esiyi1 azedlala. Azedlala.
Everything, Dlam.
Everything. Qala nge4play ngo300 phela. Uzodlala mina ngiyifuna 300 yami. Serious.
You'll be fine.
No, Mlungiziye will give me. Mlungiziye.
Yeah, he will give you.
Yeah.
But it's not gonna come from
From
No.
if he gives me that 300 on your salary uzodonsa 300. Ngiyidinga serious angikwazi ngeke. Ngizavali show something.
You're so stressed. I like it.
Let's close the show go, please. Asami. Ngadlala ngazo zonke izinto ayimali. Hayi. Angeke uthi uqabu isihlawona wako wena mfindi wakwazi waphi lonto uqabula isihlathi somuntu ise kube 300. Ibuya silos. Ibuya play. Isiphi isihlathi esi 300? Wona sakhe inkatha asemnye siko 300.
Oh. I mean,
No.
it's Kim Kardashian.
300 iningaka uthi ungaqabula isihlathi. Akunanto engizwile angizwanga nethi. Ukuthi nje mba kuphela esihlathini. Ngabe ngiyeza ukuthi ngithe mba la khona bengizovuma.
But you just said my cheek is soft.
Yes, it's soft but ayifiki 300. Because it's soft ina sekumele ibe 300.
Ifika kubalini Dlamini. Ifika kubalini. Ifika kubalini.
Lento enyenza kimi ayikho right serious. Ngaqabisa isihlathi sesihlathi. Kube 300.
Okay, ufuna ubhadala malini Dlamini?
Bengafuna ukubhadala mali ngoqabula isihlathi.
I mean, I guess it's a trap. Let's close the show. You'll be fine.
Trap or not trap ukusala yami imali izobuya. Izobuya serious. Izobuya.
Close the show, Dlams.
Futhi ngeke. Ngabe show yakhe mfowethu. Usho. Nala ngizosiza wena show yakho.
Are you sad? Are you mad?
I'm not happy. I'm not happy.
All right, CMTV viewers, that's an absolute wrap for me. My name is Lisa Serame. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Serame _ and follow me on Facebook, Lisa Serame.
Instagram welcome _Dlamini88. Facebook welcome Dlamini. TikTok ngeke utabenda wemazelo nawo.
Bye guys.
Babonga phela.
Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi, welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Serame. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyampur. Best believe if you are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned, it's about to go bananas.
You can't have one girlfriend. I'm a colored. No.
Ntori promise Mary, ntori ke tlo nyala jwang o etsa so.
Nale Chino igqokile ithengelwe yimi. Nale sigqoko saka Jesu. Funa mina ngibe step mother.
Ninesikhathi esingakanani njenani ukhamba?
Yes.
Ama friends ngadlala.